So welcome back here. It's a Sunday morning, a lovely day to go to the park, of course. It's always a good idea to go to the park. We already had a few rides. We went to Buzz Lightyear Blast at Discoveryland, and we went to Pinocchio the ride, and also
Peter Pan's flight.
Peter Pan's flight, and I am totally dressed as Peter Pan. Well, I only got a hat. But anyway, so we're now heading to the next ride. Not sure which one it will be. Probably the teacups.
Good morning. It's almost 10 o'clock. Just a bit before opening time of the park. We're in here now for magical hours, 2 hours early for annual pass holders and people who stay in the Disney hotels. Magical hours, not the whole park is open, just Main Street and Fantasyland. Discoveryland, Adventureland are still closed. People are already waiting to get in. And they all want to get into Frontierland because of the reopening of Big Thunder Mountain.
OMG. Okay guys, look at this crowd. The Big Thunder Mountain is really popular. We are standing here with all these people waiting. And it's amazing. This line isn't just for entering the ride, but also for getting a fast pass.
Yeah.
So it's really crowded.
It's hard to distinguish which is the fast pass line and the normal queue
We have
line.
no idea. We're just standing somewhere in line and hope that we can enter the ride somehow.
Yeah, at least it's moving.
At least it's moving, but it's a little bit frustrating. I'm not really a morning person, so for me this is really something.
She'll get better during the day.
Yeah, around 11. I will be fine around 11.
After coffee.
After coffee, yeah. We entered!
60 minutes and now it's exactly 10 o'clock. So, well, 3 minutes past. So, 3 minutes past 11 we should be in a train. And if it's faster,
Yeah, we will see. Sometimes it's a win, sometimes it's a lose. You never know.
at least we get to see the waiting queue in detail.
And come on, Sven, we haven't done this in like a year or something.
Yeah, it hasn't been in a year, so...
This is really exceptional.
Oh, look at the frost on it.
That's beautiful. The line is still moving. That's a very good sign. We're still walking. Haven't had to stand still for just a second yet, so that's great. About this ride?
Well, it had a complete refurbishment, so new paint job, everything.
Yeah, we're right. We know our stuff.
Okay, new paint job, and what they also did was have a different end scene, more theming. More
the goat? Sorry?
Yeah, more special effects.
More special effects.
The goat.
The goat. I love that goat.
Yeah, so the animatronics have been refurbished, and I think the goat has a new skin. It was a bit green at the end.
Yeah. They changed. Oh yeah, and the colors of the rocks also. They got a paint job.
Yeah, it was a paint job.
Oh, that's what we already said then. And so what else? Well, everything else that we will notice, we will tell you after our ride.
Yeah.
going to ride it?
Finally going to ride it. So it said 60 minutes waiting line. It was 60 minutes and 30 minutes, so 90 minutes, but the ride was down for 30. So actually,
Yeah.
it was 60 minutes.
It was, yeah. It's always, you know, you want to ride it as fast as you can, but I'm very happy to be here. So
Yeah. Good. Some great shots in the video images.
Yes. Good times.
Good times. Good times. And here's our ride.
That was an awesome ride.
Awesome. Yeah. Glad to have Big Thunder Mountain back. It's
Amazing.
It's amazing. It's an improvement. Smoother ride.
I think new carts.
New carts, maybe.
Maybe, we're not sure, but they looked
At
very new.
least new upholstery, so the seats are very cushy, very comfortable. The goat was fixed.
Geysers were working.
Goat fixed.
That's
Okay.
terrible.
Refurbished.
Yeah.
New
The
fur.
animatronics of the goats were
Animatronic,
working.
yeah.
There was fog
Yeah.
and there was special effects, but we're not going to spoil anything more because you really have to experience this ride.
The only thing is that if you know where the photo opportunity was in the last version, look the other way because it's not on the right anymore, but on the left.
Yes.
So.
Where's my gold?
Yeah.